Hey loves, I hope you all can see me. This is KGbeautywithin, Catherine Gage, Mary Kay, Independent Beauty Consultant. And I'm going to do a quick little small beat in the bathroom. I'm visiting loved ones and I just thought I'd come on here and say thank you all for supporting my small business. I don't consider it a small business. I consider it a great business because it has a great opportunity. But I wanted to come on here and just say thank you all so much for supporting me throughout the year. We just had the happy Thanksgiving. I mean, I had a wonderful time with family, with my husband's family, which is my family. I enjoyed it. My mom's with me. And I just thank God for life. You know, we lost our brother, which is his brother, last year. This time we was actually going to a funeral, and it was hard, and it's still hard. 6 months later, lost his father. And then a month later, lost my aunt, my mom's oldest sister. So it's been a year. And I even had a friend that lost, the daughter lost a loved one, lost a baby on Thanksgiving Day. So it's been a rough one. But one thing is for sure, that we can always be thankful and know that God is good and He doesn't make a mistake. And I just wanted to get on here and say thank you. But I was going to do a little small beat. I hope you all can see me. I'm going to show you how quick it can be just to do a small glam out the door beat with cleanser, moisturizer, day cream, and foundation. A little bit of makeup, okay? So I'm not going to even talk about it. I'm just going to do. So if anybody joins, just say hi to me. I'll try to say hi. I'm going in now with my 3-in-1 cleanser. I do combination of oil, but we also have normal to dry. Go all the way down to my décolleté. And then I just take a nice cloth and just wipe that off. A lot of people say they don't have time to do skincare. And it's far from the truth because it doesn't take very long. So I'm going to show you how to do all this on the go and still look good. That actually feels so refreshing. Next thing you want to do is go in with your serum. Since it's daytime, sun is out. We're in Louisiana, so it's going to be at least 70, so I can do my day cream. If you want to skip this step and just do basic skincare, that'll be your cleanser and your moisturizer. So I say if you can't get on anything, just get on a basic, and that'll be just fine. Okay, then I'm just going to go in with the pea size of my moisturizer. This is our time-wise skincare regimen. And I just go in, go all the way down to my neck. The signs of aging starts at your neck. I'll go on the inward-outward fashion. And there we go. That was a quick skincare. Did you think it could go that fast? It goes that fast. I'm going to take my foundation brush. I'm going to go in with my, this is a cream to powder, bronze one. We have different shades. Let me go and look at you all so I can make sure I'm not looking yellow. So when you do your foundation, you just want to go down in a downward motion. I normally use our CC cream, but today I thought I'd just do a cream to powder. Show you how quick that can be. And yes, I go in with my brows. I mean, who is that watching? Say hi to me, sweetheart. I see some hearts, but I don't know who's saying hearts, so okay. Anyway, let me look up here and make sure I'm looking good up here too. Yeah, and that's actually full coverage, you all. That was just medium, cream to powder medium. And then I'm gonna take my angle brush. Gonna get me some brows. I'm taking my espresso, which is right here. That one at the bottom, and I'm just gonna fill in my brows real quick. Okay, that looks pretty good. Alrighty, we're moving right along. Told y'all it was going to be really quick. I'm going to take my strawberry cream and cherry. I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. Going up. Another apple. Okay, we got that. I'll come back in with that with a bronzer in just a second, okay? I'm just going to take my eye color. I think I'm going very light today. So I'm taking my gold roast and going all over my eye. I apologize, it's sweet cream, y'all. It's sweet cream. Let me look up here too to make sure everything's looking good down there. Can y'all see me? If you can see me, give me a heart. Now, on your eyes, you can stop and just do one shade if you want, or you can do another shade. I always like to do another shade, so I'm gonna do a transitional color. And today I'm gonna show you how to actually take your cream. Not your cream. Take your mineral, your cheek color. I'm gonna go in with this orange guava, juicy guava, and just use the orange part. And I'm gonna go inside my crease. And I go a little bit above my crease here. So I'm going just a little bit in. And this is just a transitional color, which means that you can build coverage. You can build more than one color on that. Can you all see that? How I went in with that? Let me kind of lean up a little bit so you all can see what I'm doing. But you want to look down, kind of. When you do your crease, you want to look down. So that way you're getting the dent of the crease. And your crease is at the dent of your eye. Mine's here, but I go just a little bit above. Because I have somewhat of a hooded eye, but not a big hood. Not a big hood, but I do have a hood. Just a little bit of a hood, okay? I'm going to do the other one. Just going inside my... And this here is my smudge brush. I went into with my smudge brush. We have a crease brush as well that I'm going to go in just a minute with, just to blend. I just want to build up on that cover. So what I'm doing is going from just dabbing it on right now. Just dabbing it on. Okay. I'm gonna take my this is our color brush. So I'm taking the color brush. Taking a little bit of my hazelwood, and I'm just gonna go in with my hazelwood down at the bottom. Just patting it on right now. Whoever's watching, thank you. Since this is our business day, I just decided to come to my business page and to go live. I try to show love to all three of my pages. Ooh, pretty. Pretty. Just believe it or not, we're done. I'm going to go in with a bronzer. And get me some lipstick on and take eyeliner and outline my eyes. But I'm doing a bronze here. And that's our powder brush. And I'm just going to go tap that just a little bit. And I'm going to go in the shape of a 3, okay? So if you want to contour and you don't want to take a long time contouring, you just got to go in the shape of a 3. You can go backwards 3 or a forwards 3. And I like to do all both. So, for some reason, it don't look good till you make the ugly face. Alright. Okay. Let me go in and line my eyes. I'm going to take some black eyeliner. Just going to line my eyes, and I need to look up here for that. Since I forgot my show you all a trick. I forgot my lashes. So I just take that and I just go up with my brush and get my lashes. It's just a little trick I use. So I love to improvise. So I forgot my eyelashes stuff. So I just go up. Hi, whoever's watching. This is just a quick 5-minute beat. I am, believe it or not, about to be done. I'm just going to throw some lipstick on because I wasn't trying to just do a whole lot today. I just wanted to come show some love because it's Small Business Day. And I just wanted to let everybody know how much I appreciate you all. I truly do. Without you all, it wouldn't be me. So then I'm just going to take my glow stick. We don't have these anymore, but I still use it. Just set everything. I'm taking my translucent powder. Just going to take a little bit and just set what I just did. And just tap that in there. Now if you wanted to bake, you can bake. I don't bake a lot, but sometimes I do. I bake a lot in life, but not bake a lot on my face. Funny. I'm sorry, that was a hee. Okay, let me find some lipstick real quick. And we're going to be done. Just going to take one of my cream rose passion. We got a new line coming of lipstick, so I will be coming back with a whole lot. We got like 12. So be on the lookout for my videos. 12 lipsticks. Okay. How you like it? That's a quick look. I hope you like it. Hey sis, how you doing? Y'all enjoy y'all day. It's hot in this bathroom. It's 70 degrees and we have a heater on. So I gotta get out of here. But anyway, I love you all. And I want y'all to thank you. I want to thank you all for supporting my business at all times. I don't consider it a small business. I consider it a great business. So thank you all for being the life support of my business. So you all be blessed and y'all continue to have a happy holidays. Thanksgiving was around the corner. Y'all forgive that little zit that done popped up here. Let me seal that a little bit. A lot of y'all don't know I got food poisoning. And my mom and mother-in-law said that when you have a stomach condition, sometimes you can get a pimple. And I have never had one. Since not a long time, so we'll be working on that. But anyway, y'all have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day. Remember, family is important. So if you're holding any grudges, get rid of them. Life is too short to have those. And there's always something to be thankful for. There's always somebody that is worse off than you are. So always remember to be thankful. I'm thankful for you all. So be blessed. I love you all. And it was a quick beat, you all, but I think I look good. I'm glowing.